Ukraine is not the only user of IRIS-T SLM medium-range air defense systems. Germany also supplies air defense systems to Egypt. Recently, a video of IRIS-T SLM testing in an African country has appeared. The video shows the launch of two IRIS-T anti-aircraft missiles. Their targets were unmanned aerial vehicles. The air defense system destroyed two drones with two missiles, demonstrating 100% effectiveness. IRIS-T SLM can shoot down not only drones. The system is designed to intercept airplanes, helicopters, and cruise missiles. The anti-aircraft missile has a launch range of 40 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 20 kilometers to intercept an air threat. The launcher can have 8 or 4 containers. In the case of the Egyptian version of the IRIS-T SLM, we can see exactly 4 containers for anti-aircraft missiles, and one of them is different from the other 3.